I'm absolutely delighted to be joined today by 6 leaders across multiple different industries with very, very different roles and different perspectives. So it's my pleasure to introduce you all. And if Bill, I could start with you and turn to you just to get some perspective around how you within your organization are defining sustainability and the sort of the responsibilities of leadership to create a better and more sustainable future in all that that means within your organization. Over to you, Bill.
So for us at Ateliere Creative Technologies, we're a media supply chain platform. We're cloud native, and we help studios and content owners move all of their content into the cloud and then be able to manage and transform and then deliver that content out to all the different platforms that the consumers are going to be using content. You know, the thing about content, the content industry is you've got to consider that 82% of the video of the internet traffic that we're seeing in this last year has been video. So video is really very much a heavy carbon footprint product. Just an hour of television production and distribution represents about 300 million tons of carbon dioxide annually, and that's more than 1% of the world's total emissions. So it's incumbent upon companies like us in the media and technology industry to really think about sustainability. And from our point of view at Ateliere, we've designed our platform from the ground up to be very, very carbon efficient. That goes right to our choice at the first moment of what cloud platform we were going to build or cloud provider we were going to build our platform on. We chose AWS because they're 100% committed to carbon neutrality by 2025, and they're ahead of those goals. They use renewable power across their entire platform. All of the technology that we've designed into our platform is about sustainability. We use serverless technologies so that we don't have always on, compute. We have developed proprietary technologies that allow our platform to basically reduce our customer storage footprints by as much as 90%. Usually we achieve somewhere between 70 to 90% reduction in storage footprint. And all of that goes to really reducing the amount of energy used. And going forward, we're finding new and better ways to even reduce that more.
I've already learned an awful lot. Numbers like 1% of carbon emissions, I had no idea that it was actually that huge a number. Siva, could you provide us with some insights in terms of how you're defining and how you're approaching sustainability within Austin?
So let me start off by defining sustainability as we see it. Sustainability is a balance between the 3 E's: environment, equity, and economy. Sustainable development meets the needs of the current generation without compromising the needs of the future generation. And it presumes that resources are finite and hence should be used diligently with a long-term perspective in mind. And sustainability strives to create a perfect balance between human and nature to coexist in harmony. When we look at responsibilities of leaders, let's talk about the leadership traits that augur well for sustainability. One is what I would call as a change the game leadership when it comes to governance, wherein we want to shift the focus from short-term profit maximization mindset to a long-term triple bottom line thinking, the 3 P's, the people, planet, and profit. We want to create and embrace tools that moves the needle from the traditional metrics like P&L to environmental P&L, ROI to social ROI. The second element is leader as a strategist, wherein make sustainability part of your corporate strategy as a leader. And we need to ensure strategic fit to tactical implementation plan and underlying resources, and showcase commitment. Make sure that your employees internalize your sustainable goals. Essentially, these torchbearers will have to step back and ask the question, what does sustainability mean to me? How can I contribute to the sustainability goals within the context of what I do? The third element is leader as an evangelist, A recent study by Boston Consulting Group found that fewer than 7% of the consumers sampled have paid a premium for sustainable products and services, but 40% could be convinced to do so if the companies make a compelling case for why it matters. So, looking at that, we can understand that sustainable leaders need to be evangelists communicating to external markets and shareholders. So these are the broader leadership principles that we go by at Austin GIS. And down the lane, I will cover specificity as to why we as a company, have sustainability at the heart of everything we do.